Beatrice, you listening to me? Can you answer my questions, please? Could you answer my questions, please? What can you tell me about this?
Come on, B. You gotta jump for it. Come on, B. Take it. What? No? I don't think you can. You gotta jump for it. What kind of stuff you got in here anyway, huh?
What is that? Oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't even. What a freak, you know? Okay, that's it.
You let them get away. And with the plan, didn't you?
Can't do it anymore.
But if they have our plans, it's all the more reason for us to go through with it.
How much time do we have?
It's 7:56.
4 minutes.
See? You don't need that notebook. If they don't already know, they will. And when they do, it'll be too late. I don't know what you're worried about. Here, give me your hands.
I don't see how...
Don't see. Feel. Feel how connected you are. How do you feel now?
Stupid.
Powerful. B. You've been attached by a wire to your enemies for too long. So long, little birds rest on them. This wire that connects that barrel to Trevor Manning's head has to snap.
Who are you to tell me? I know, I live with those birds. They go fatter every day.
Don't feed them. Don't let them perch there, live there. Don't let these burdens be fed because you can't bear to snap the wire.
You. It was... You had the journal this whole time? You knew it could change things.
The birds, Beatrice. You said it yourself, they're heavy.
You didn't have to
Beatrice!
Beatrice? Well, answer me.
The birds were too heavy.